Are you ready to delve into the world of research methods? This video will guide you through the essential steps in developing effective research proposals. Discover how to navigate philosophical, practical, and ethical research concepts. The aim of this unit is to enhance your ability to prepare for various types of academic management research. You'll learn to design a robust research proposal. This involves a critical understanding of research concepts. These concepts are philosophical, practical, and ethical in nature. They are applied within a relevant environment. Understanding the research context is crucial. Identifying the research problem is the first step. This involves conceptualizing the problem and developing insights. You must assess feasibility and possibilities. Setting initial components like a working plan is essential. Start by defining exactly what you're investigating and why it matters. A clear purpose prevents project drift. Break the aim into focused research questions. These guide the study's scope. They influence every methodological choice afterward. Decide on a qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods approach. Consider what type of evidence answers the research questions. Qualitative methods provide depth and context. Quantitative methods highlight patterns and measure frequency. Mixed methods offer a comprehensive view. Focus on sampling when designing research. The wrong sample leads to unreliable results. Consider the population and characteristics that matter. Decide on random, convenience-based, or purposive sampling. This ensures representativeness. Choose data collection tools based on reliability and practicality. Surveys are efficient for volume. Interviews provide insights beyond checkboxes. Question phrasing and structure are critical. Pilot testing ensures questions are interpreted correctly. Ethics in research is non-negotiable. Participants must understand the research purpose. They should know what happens with their information. Withdrawal should be an option at any time. Confidentiality and informed consent are paramount. Plan data analysis carefully. Quantitative work involves statistics and graphs. Qualitative research requires coding and theme categorization. Identify patterns in responses. Consider potential limitations ahead of time. By the end, have a clear, structured approach. This should fit the context and align with the research aim. It should generate trustworthy evidence. Intentional planning leads to meaningful research. This ensures defensibility. Break down the research problem to understand it fully. Look beyond the surface to underlying causes. Define the core problem clearly. A specific problem is easier to investigate. Ensure it creates a real knowledge gap. Evaluate the scope of the research problem. It must be specific yet meaningful. Consider who is impacted and how seriously. A good problem affects performance or outcomes. Shift focus from symptoms to causes. Collect evidence to support the research problem. Look for data, trends, and patterns. Avoid assumptions without evidence. Narrow down large problems to manageable aspects. Ensure the problem is relevant and beneficial. Consider the ethical implications of researching the problem. Some issues may be difficult to research ethically. This is especially true with vulnerable groups or sensitive topics. Weigh ethical risks against benefits. Adjust the approach if needed. Turn the research problem into a clear aim. The aim should be achievable and worthwhile. Objectives break the aim into smaller tasks. Ensure the aim links directly to the core problem. Keep it focused to avoid vagueness. Define the scope within realistic boundaries. Consider time, resources, and access. A broad aim becomes unmanageable. A narrow aim lacks meaning. Ensure objectives are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Show how aims and objectives address the research problem. The aim should fill a gap or improve understanding. Explain the structure of objectives. Link methods to the type of insight needed. Ensure all elements are intentional. Timeframes are crucial for realistic aims. Consider data collection duration and participant accessibility. Assess analysis tools and their time requirements. Adjust objectives if deadlines are tight. Avoid rushed work for reliable outcomes. Develop coherent, achievable aims and objectives. Ensure they fit within scope and timeframe. Provide a structured research path. Maintain discipline throughout the project. Produce findings that withstand scrutiny. Consult ebooks and journals for further reading. Use resources on Moodle for additional guidance. Email queries to the provided contact. Submit assignments as instructed. Follow submission deadlines for successful completion. In conclusion, being able to develop research approaches in a suitable context is essential for producing credible, relevant, and meaningful findings. A strong research approach begins with clearly defining the problem, selecting appropriate methodologies, and understanding the context in which the study takes place. By aligning research aims with suitable qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods, researchers can ensure that their work is both rigorous and applicable to real-world situations. This foundation supports high-quality research that informs practice, drives improvement, and contributes valuable insights to the field. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07,484,361,688.